Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, hi, my name is Dana. I upload 2 new videos every week, so if you haven't already, now is the perfect time to subscribe to my channel so you can stay on top of all of those new videos. A little while ago, this really cool company reached out to me and sent me some flavored matchas, and that company was Teangle. And I tried 2 of them on camera already, but this third one I have yet to try, so I'm gonna try it today. And it's their chai matcha. My favorite category of like flavored teas is definitely like spiced, like ginger, cinnamon, cardamom. That is my favorite. So I have really high hopes for this matcha. I've never tried a matcha chai before. I've tried a couple of green tea based chais that I love. So if this has a similar vibe to those, I think I'm gonna love it. So let's open it up. Oh, it smells really like, oh no, I got matcha all over. It smells like a gingerbread cookie. Like it smells Christmassy and I love that. I'm gonna make it with like a bowl and whisk, even though they sent me this really nice like shaker bottle that I love. I just want to try a little bit in like a little teacup today, so I just want to like whisk it, and since I'm not like going anywhere with it, I'm just gonna make like a little amount, and I don't want like a whole big shaker bottle, so just a little bit. And I just want 1 scoop. They also sent me this matcha spoon, which I've been using every day. It's really nice. It's like heavy. It's a really like good quality spoon, and I just want 1 scoop today. And here's how it looks in our bowl. And before I whisk it up, let's at least read everything that's on the bag, and then we'll go ahead and like whisk it and make it into our drink. So Teangle has 3 flavors. They have a ginger lemongrass, which is my favorite so far. They have a peppermint, and this is the 3rd one, the chai. So here on the front, it says Teangle Matcha Chai, 100% natural. Drinking this tea may help you reduce stress, increase energy, and improve concentration. And that is so true. Matcha is great for those things. And how to use. It says to use 1 to 2 spoons in hot or cold water, shake it, and drink it 2 times a day. I already had matcha this morning, so I will be on top of my 2 times a day after I drink this. And the ingredients, which are Japanese matcha, cardamom, cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, and stevia, proudly made in Japan. So of course that matcha is from Japan. All matcha is. Basically what matcha is so it's been processed the same way as like a regular Japanese green tea for the most part, but then they remove the stems and the veins from the leaves, and they just use like that soft inside part, and they grind that up into the fine powder that becomes the matcha. So there's that. Cardamom I love. I always think of the Norwegian school bread from the Norway Pavilion in Epcot at Disney World whenever I think of cardamom. Cinnamon, ginger, my favorite. Nutmeg, I love that. So I'm gonna go ahead and whisk it up and get it ready to drink, and then we'll go on their website and see what else we can find, but I'm really eager to taste this. So I got my bamboo matcha whisk. This is just my go-to, and I'm just gonna break up any clumps first before I even put in any water. This was heated up earlier, so now it's not hot, it's just warm. You don't really want to use hot water with matcha because it will burn the matcha and make it taste bad, so you want like a lower temperature. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of water and then whisk it on up. Beautiful, wow. Look at that gorgeous matcha. All right, I'm gonna pour it into my cup. Oh wow, okay, I definitely need more. That is too small an amount. I'm gonna get like the little leftovers, and then we'll just top off the cup. Beautiful. I never drink my matcha like this. I always just do it as a shot. So this is kind of like a special sort of treat. Also, I always have straight matcha, so the flavoring is really gonna make this special too. All right, let's give it a try. Oh my gosh, it's so good. I love the cinnamon. Yeah, I definitely get the cinnamon and the ginger. And it's sweet because there's stevia, but it's like lightly sweet, it's not too much. And the sweetness and the spice really cuts through the grassiness of the matcha, so I'm not getting like that grassy, strong flavor that I get in a straight matcha. It really is sort of blending in with the spices in a really nice, unique way. And it tastes like it's meant to be together. Like I was thinking like matcha, chai, like those are two such strong polarizing flavors. Like, you know, matcha is so grassy and so green tasting. And then chai is so spiced, so like specific, you know what I mean? So it's really cool how it came together so well. But before I drink it all, I do want to look at their website and see what else it says about this tea. So here's how it looks on the website. I love this little flat lay with all the ingredients around it, the cinnamon, the nutmeg. So it says vegan, sugar-free, keto, and 100% natural. Burr, come in from the cold and wrap your mitts around a nice cup of chai matcha. It'll warm you up from the inside out and give you the ability to juggle 756 things at once. Discover how Teangle can help you glow from the inside out. Improves productivity, reduces stress, clean energy, anti-aging, helps burn fat, and detox effect. And it looks like it lists a couple more ingredients on here, or at least one that I'm missing on the packaging that shows up on the website. And it says Japanese matcha. Matcha is 137 times more powerful than regular brewed tea. And that's true, since you are consuming the whole leaf, you're getting every single benefit the leaf has to offer. Whereas when you're just drinking a regular cup of green tea, you're just consuming like the liquid that the leaf has been steeped in. So you're not getting as much as you do with the matcha. So caffeine, antioxidants, L-theanine, everything good is like 10 times more in the matcha than it would be in your normal cup of tea. Fennel, that's the one that's not on the packaging, but I can taste that there's fennel in it, so I love that. And I love that it says like little facts of what all these things are like beneficial for. So under fennel, it says helps oxygen reach the brain, which improves cognitive performance. Cinnamon can improve your learning ability and memory. Cardamom helps protect brain cells from free radical damage. Nutmeg stimulates the brain and wards off stress and lack of energy. And stevia. Stevia is essentially calorie and carb free. It may also help you manage your blood sugar. This would make such a nice latte. It would be so interesting to see how it would be like that. It's like a matcha latte and also it's a chai latte, so I think that's really cool. Yeah, that was really an enjoyable cup of matcha. Again, two kind of flavors you wouldn't really think would work together, but they absolutely did, and they were great. So if you haven't tried Teangle yet, and you like the sounds of those flavors, the chai, peppermint, and ginger lemongrass, you might want to give them a try. If you like flavored matchas, I think they're really awesome because they're not too sweet, and they're not flavors that, like, it's all flavors that make sense in my mind. I know not everybody has the same taste as me, but like with green teas and with matcha, I like things like mint, ginger, you know, more, I guess, like herby, like natural kind of flavors. Whereas like some companies, you see them do like chocolate matchas, and like David's Tea has one that my mom loves, but like salted caramel matcha, you know what I mean? Like for me, I don't get the connection between the green flavors of the matcha and like a sweet flavor like a salted caramel. Like for me, it just, my brain is like, nah, like my brain doesn't like those combinations because it doesn't make sense. It's like the green flavor and then like a sweet flavor. Like I'd rather have them separate. I know a lot of people do like that though, but personally I like Teangle because all of their three flavors are all just flavors that make sense to my mind and my taste buds, so I really appreciate them. They are super cool. I really went into a lot about the brand in my last video about them, so I can link that if you guys are interested. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed my little look at Teangle's chai matcha. Never thought I would try a matcha like that. So I'm really thrilled to have had this opportunity, and I just want to give a big thank you to Teangle for being so awesome. But anyway, I hope you and your families are all staying safe and healthy. I hope you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.